Magandang araw! My name is Teacher Cel, a Filipino teacher from the Philippines. Kung gusto mong matuto ng wikang Tagalog, andito ako para turuan ka. Or in English, if you want to learn the Tagalog language, I am here to teach you. We'll start with basic greetings like Magandang araw, or in English, Good day, and common expressions like Kumusta? In English, how are you? And Salamat. In English, thank you. Don't worry if Filipino sounds new and challenging. I'll guide you step by step. My classes are interactive and designed for all levels, from beginner to advanced. If you're ready to learn more Filipino words, book a lesson with me. Maraming salamat and I look forward meeting you. See you!